I want to have a shampoo sink or shampoo bowl installed in a room in my home. The wall that I would like to use backs up to a small bathroom. The shower is on the other side of that wall. Could it be installed using the existing plumbing from the shower on the other side of the wall? The shower drain is about 3 inches from the wall. My husband believes that the drain would have to be moved, causing a huge plumber expense. How involved would this project probably be? Could you roughly estimate the cost so that I can decide if it is worth pursuing?
Welcome, I will do my best to help with your issue. If the drain and water piping is accessible, then you could tie into both drain and water that now serves the tub. You may have a venting issue. All plumbing fixture drains must be vented. The cost depends on how accessible the piping is. Assuming it's fairly accessible without too much trouble and that your jurisdiction allows OVs, air admittance valves, in lieu of a vent, you're probably looking at $5 to $700 to do this in the greater Boston area, not including the sink and faucet. Costs vary around the country, so all I can give you are costs in my area. My screen shows you as typing for some time. I think we may have a problem with the chat format, so I'll switch this to the Q&A format. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.